Welcome to Quick Rad. Alright, here's how this works. You'll get a multiple choice question on the screen and you'll have 5 seconds to lock in your answer. Think fast! The countdown starts immediately. After that, I'll reveal the correct answer followed by a quick rationale so you actually understand why it's right. Don't skip too early because the explanation is where you'll learn the most. Ready? Let's begin. Question 1. Which of the following is the basic unit of life most affected by radiation? Correct answer C. Cell. It is the fundamental living unit affected by ionizing radiation. Question 2. What type of radiation effect has a threshold dose? Correct answer B. Deterministic effect. It occurs only after a certain threshold dose is exceeded. Question 3. Which cells are the most radiosensitive? Correct answer D. Stem cells. Rapidly dividing and immature cells are more radiosensitive. Question 4. Which radiation effect is considered stochastic? Correct answer C. Cancer. Stochastic effects occur by chance and have no threshold dose. Question 5. The law stating radiosensitivity is related to reproductive activities. Correct answer A. Bergonié and Tribondeau law. Cells that divide rapidly are generally more radiosensitive. Question 6. Which phase of the cell cycle is most radiosensitive? Correct answer C. Mitosis. Cells are most radiosensitive during mitosis. Question 7. What is the approximate latent period? Correct answer B. Time between exposure and appearance of effects. Radiation injuries may take time before clinical signs appear. Question 8. Which organ is highly radiosensitive? Correct answer B. Bone marrow. It contains rapidly dividing blood-forming cells. Question 9. Radiation damage to DNA caused indirectly usually involves. Correct answer C. Free radicals. Water radiolysis produces free radicals that damage DNA. Question 10. The SI unit of absorbed dose is. Correct answer C. Gray. The gray measures absorbed radiation dose. Hey, nice work! If you're enjoying so far, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe. Turn on the notif bell so you'll get notified every time I post a video. Now let's move up to the intermediate level. Ready? Let's go. Question 11. Which oxygen condition increases radiosensitivity? Correct answer C. High oxygen concentration. Oxygen enhances radiation damage through free radical formation. Question 12. Which syndrome may occur after whole-body exposure of 1 to 10 gray? Correct answer B. Hematopoietic Syndrome. Bone marrow suppression occurs within this dose range. Question 13. Which DNA damage is considered most lethal? Correct answer D. Double-strand break. They are difficult for the cell to repair. Question 14. Fractionation in radiation therapy primarily allows. Correct answer C. Normal tissue recovery. Fractionation gives healthy tissue time to repair. Question 15. Which of the following is an example of a somatic effect? Correct answer C. Leukemia in exposed patient. Somatic effects occur in the exposed individual. Let's have a break. I'm super proud of you going this far. Now this last 5 questions will be harder. Are you ready? Okay, let's continue. Question 16. At very high radiation doses, greater than 50 gray, which syndrome is most likely? Correct answer C. Cerebrovascular syndrome. Extremely high doses damage the central nervous system rapidly. Question 17. The oxygen enhancement ratio describes Correct answer B. Difference in biologic effect with and without oxygen. Oxygenated tissues are more radiosensitive than hypoxic tissues. Question 18. Linear energy transfer refers to Correct answer B. Energy deposited per unit track length. High LET radiation deposits more energy in tissue over a short distance. Question 19. Which radiation type has the highest LET? Correct answer D. Alpha particles. Alpha particles produce dense ionization tracts and high biologic damage. And now for our final question. Relative biological effectiveness compares. Correct answer C. Biological damage caused by different radiation types. RBE compares how effectively different radiation types produce biologic effects. Now that's a wrap on our 20 radiology multiple choice questions focused on radiation biology. Great job! Now I'm curious, how did you perform? Drop your score in the comments using the keywords provided. And hey, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content. Let's keep learning together, right here on QuickRad. And I'll catch you in the next video.